Welcome to this introduction to DISCUS. Not only can you use DISCUS for research, but in general if you need any kind of information or if you want some new book recommendations. Note that when you want to visit DISCUS, it is scdiscus.org. Remember, you will need a username and password if you use this at home. Please ask your librarians for the username and password. Across the top of the website, you will notice that there's an A to Z list of resources, but the best place to start is on the left-hand side of the website. Since you are doing literature analysis for Mrs. Pruitt, you of course will want to start in the Literature and Language Arts section of DISCUS. I do want to point out that Novel List Plus is right here in the literature section. So if you're interested in reading other types of books that are like the one you read, for example, if you love Hunger Games, you can go into Novelist Plus, look up Hunger Games, and get more recommendations. But today we're going to take a look at Bloom's Literary Reference Online. Make it a habit that no matter what database you go into DISCUS, you should check out the advanced search features. For example, in the advanced search I did here, you notice that not only can I choose what kind of words I'm looking for or not looking for, but I can also choose how to limit my results. For example, I can look for a biography. In this case, I want an analysis of Romeo and Juliet, and I also want to make sure that I get full text. Because I did an advanced search and decided I only wanted analyses, as you see at the top, that's really all that showed up. But in other cases, you may have options for biographies, overviews, topics, and themes, and those tabs will light up and will have numbers, which tells you how many resources they have of each type. All results show the title, who wrote it, where it is from, and what it is. In this case, criticism, and you of course can save all these into a folder. I chose A Thing Like Death, which is the fourth result down on this screenshot. DISCUS is wonderful in that it helps you with citation. You can click on citation and get exactly what you need to put into your paper or presentation to make sure you give credit to this piece of work. Over to the right, where I have circled, you notice you can also save it, email it, print it, or make the text larger or smaller as you need. This is also searchable, so you can look for specific elements within the text. Thank you for using DISCUS. If you have any questions, please stop by the Loquacious Library.